Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage payroll using Kabbage. Now, payroll is one of your most crucial and consistent expenses. Missing a payroll deadline can hurt employee morale and your business reputation. Now, let's walk through how you can leverage Kabbage funding to cover payroll needs, especially during tight cash flow periods. The first step, calculate payroll needs. Now you want to start by calculating your total payroll amount. That's employee wages, payroll taxes, and benefits, all contractor payments. Now you will use a tool like Gusto, QuickBooks Payrolls, or ADP to automate calculations and ensure compliance. Step 2, check Kabbage availability. Now log into your dashboard and ensure that you have enough available credits to cover payroll. Kabbage fast access funds are ideal for short-term gaps between receivables and pay periods. Step 3, transfer funds or connect to payroll provider. Now you can either transfer the necessary amounts to your linked bank account, then process payroll, or you can directly connect your Kabbage accounts to your payroll software if integrations are supported. Step 4, schedule payroll on time. Now, even if you're still waiting on customer payments, you can now run payroll confidently using Kabbage funds. Step 5, monitor and reconcile with Kabbage Insights. Now, you can keep track of how often you rely on Kabbage for payrolls and whether you can adjust your business model to shorten receivable cycles. Payroll shouldn't be a headache. With Kabbage, you can ensure your team gets paid even during seasonal slowdowns or late invoice payments. It's a smart way to bridge the gap and keep your business moving. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.